Okay, next I'm going to add this little flower that I made. This is just made out of like a tulle fabric. These little flowers are really easy to make. I'm going to have to do a video to show people how to make these because they're super easy. And then all I did was hot glue a button on it. Look at how beautiful that button is. And that I think is going to go right about there. Okay, I've decided I'm going to go for it. I'm going to hot wax this thing down. I'm just going to run hot wax right there. Try not to, yikes, ouch, burn myself while I'm doing this. And try not to get hot wax all over everything. Oh, that's starting to look pretty good. Okay, I guess this is the moment of truth. I'm gonna attach this to the hat. I hope she was serious when she said she wanted a hat with a unicorn horn on it, because that's what she's gonna get. I'm not sure. I'm actually really terrified of doing this, but what the heck? I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna hot glue it right to the edge, right there, because I want all those edges really sticking down. Okay, and the seam goes toward the back of it, and it should go right about here. Let's press it into place. My next idea is to put about 3 of these or 4 of these right around here. And of course the good old heat gun is going to do that. I hot glued that on. That's looking pretty good so far. I like it. Well, I think it might be done. I decided these didn't look good hanging down, so I tied them into bow and put a little hot glue in there so they'll stay in place.